Let me guess, you just uploaded another video. Congratulations. But now you still feel behind. I'm Tammy Eaton, and I've spent over 20 years in the software development industry. Deadlines are my daily experience. But what I love is automation. Automations take care of my repetitive tasks and the tasks I don't like doing. Now I help creators like you 10x your content using AI, automations, and workflows that let you create faster and prevent burnout. If you are a busy creator, part-time YouTuber, or solo entrepreneur trying to build a brand without a team, this channel is for you. You'll get step-by-step tutorials, plug-and-play workflows, real tools with real time savers, and no fluff. I'm a visual learner, so I don't just tell you how to do something, I show you exactly how to do it. So if you want to create more content in less time, hit subscribe and let's 10x your content.